justice promoter Paulo Okoye, better known as Paulo, has slammed human rights lawyer Deji Adeyanju for linking Grammy Award-winning singer Burna Boy to the arrest of his colleague, Speed Darlington. NaijaNews reported that Deji, who was the counsel for the singer, confirmed the development in a post on his official X page on Wednesday that Speed Darlington was arrested by police officers in Owerri, the Imo State capital. He also alleged that Burna Boy was using the Nigerian police to harass his clients, despite singing against oppressing and claiming he is Fela Jr. Paulo criticized Deji in a post via his Instagram page for involving Burna Boy in the recent arrest. He also accused the lawyer of being unprofessional and spreading misinformation, urging Deji to handle his clients more responsibly. He wrote, "Lawyer Deji, or whatever they call you, can you put respect on Burna Boy's name? Why are you even mentioning Burna Boy's name? SMH, you are nothing more than just a social media lawyer. Lawyer my ASS. Get your facts right before you open your gutter mouth. Control your client." In response, lawyer Deji Adeyanju writes after Paulo criticized him of accusing Burna Boy of oppressing Speed Darlington, saying, "I don't respond to non-entities." Meanwhile, the Nigerian police force has reportedly moved the Nigerian singer, Darlington, from Owerri, Imo State to the Federal Capital Territory, Abuja. A top source who spoke to Sahara Reporters said the singer was on Wednesday moved from Owerri to the Police Force Intelligence Department, FID. The Deputy Inspector General, DIG, in charge of FID, Dasuki Galandachi, was said to have personally taken over Darlington's case file from the police unit that arrested him before. We will continue to monitor this story closely for fresh updates. Stay tuned to NaijaNews TV for more news updates.